Okay, so today we're going to be servicing a Mercedes A-Class. This is a 2-litre CDI A180. So what we need to do first is drain all our oil. Okay, so decided to drain the oil from the top because it's not so simple to find out how to do it from the bottom. Taken all these off and they're all dry, so there's no leakages. But what I've done is bought a pump, cost me 20 quid from Lidl's. Good little bit of kit. Sucks all the oil out, the old oil, from the sump, and then you just link it up to a battery. And then your oil filter is just down there. So it's all good to go really. We're just going to leave that to pump. Probably need 2 of these. They do fill up quite quickly, so just leave that running probably about 20 minutes. But next job's undo this bolt here or the screw, and then we can get to the oil filter. Okay, so I'll put the 27mm on there, just loosening it, and then we can get the oil filter out. You can put some cloth around there just to stop it from dribbling out everywhere. Okay, so there's the old filter. We've just got to change that. So I'll grab that now. Okay, so there's the new filter. Cost about £10 from Euro Parts. And that's the new one. So we'll just remove this old one. Then we'll slide the new one into place. With this one you get another tiny seal in there as well, you get a new one, so we'll put that one on as well. Okay, so the 2 seals are on now, so now we just got to put this back in, rub a bit of oil around the seal just to make sure it connects right, but that's looking good. So this next job, put some oil around there and then place into the hole. Okay, so now that's tightened up, just put it to the mount where it starts to turn and get tight, give it one little clasp and that's done. Now we can put this back in here. What we might do is just spray a bit of cleaner, because these MAF sensors do clog up. That can cause trouble to your engine, so we'll just give that a clean. You should see the oil still trickling out of there, so it's obviously right at the bottom of the sump now. So we'll just clean that by spraying in. It does help. My Audi I use started to real struggle with acceleration. It would sort of spit and splutter. So I cleaned the MAF sensor and it's gone back to normal now. It accelerates right, so it's always better to give it a clean. Okay, so the next job is to do the air filter, which is located under here. So this is a 220. Okay, so the oil's all out now, I believe. So what we can do now is pull this off, then we can change our filter. Well, as you can see, that filter is pretty clean, but I still will take it out and change it. And there you go. So we'll just swap that over, put our new one in, and then close that all up. Okay, so that's done now. So all we got to do now is fill it up with oil and then we're ready to go. Slowly topping it up. What we can do is put the dipstick back in once we've wiped it. Okay, so now we've put the oil in, what we're going to do is put the case underneath back on, and then we're going to tighten it all up, lower it off of the ramp, and then we can check the oil level properly. This is the mass airflow cleaner, very good stuff. Definitely recommend doing this once every service really, because the mass airflow sensor, you'll be surprised how much it actually does play around with the engine if it's not right, so keep it clean. Okay, so it's all buttoned up underneath now, and we've topped the oil up. Just got to get it level now, so we're going to pull it off these ramps and then just check the oil level. We'll put some check the fluids, so it's completely empty. That's at the right level. So yeah, we're just going to fill up the water for the washer fluid that goes in there. So that'll be our next job.